In the stock market today, the Dow losing more than 1,000 points in the first 5 minutes of trading before it sort of bounced off the bottom. News Channel 8's Josh Benson joining us now from the Tampa News Center with an update here. And what are investors and retirement savers supposed to make of a day like today?
Well, there's a lot of chatter on what you should and shouldn't do, but it was truly an historic day. The Dow dropped so sharply, the average 401k lost $9,000. But hang on. Is it time to panic? Experts say no. It's important to understand how the gears turn before you shut off the engine and decide to pull out your money.
If you can't stand that drop on roller coasters, if you're an investor, well, you hate it today. No! 5 minutes after the opening bell, the Dow plunged 1,000 points. Palms hit faces, hands hit mouth, eyebrows froze. But soon after, a relatively quick recovery to close at 588 points down. So what happened? American markets have risen 6 years straight. Experts say it's China's markets that are slogging. That translates into less electronics, cars, even fast food. In turn, that can hurt American jobs, and that's what stings markets on U.S. soil.
A lot of their numbers are not what they report to the rest of the world.
And Tampa financial advisor John Wax says bad news like that works its way through the European markets and right to our doorstep. But many experts are pointing to another reason, something that's way overdue. It's a thing. No. It's actually a trend called a correction. Correction. It's the buzzword on Wall Street, meaning a 10% decline from the highs. Like meds for a stomach ache. Things take time to work themselves out. Some believe stocks are too expensive for a slow-growing economy.
We used to get a 10% correction often once a year, sometimes even more frequently, and we haven't had one in a long while.
We need corrections as a way to put in technical steps along the way for the economy.
So what should you do with your money? Well, John Wax says this market is most likely at the bottom. It's not a new beginning. So he says sit tight, ride it out. If you have cash, look for the discounts out there. It's the old adage, buy low, sell high. This morning would have been a really nice time to buy. Keith?
But we know money never sleeps, Josh. What do the futures look like for the Dow tomorrow? And what about the markets overseas like Shanghai? They've already opened.
They have. Shanghai was down 6%. Let me give you the latest numbers here. Down 4.3%. A little bit better, but a positive note, U.S. pre-market trading showing a 2% increase. So that's a great sign. Keith?
All right, buckle up and ready for another roller coaster ride perhaps tomorrow. Josh Benson live on our Tampa Newsroom.